Hi, children, let's continue. Joy was silent for a moment. I fly long distances, she finally said, and I have rested on many mountains. No other mountain has ever cared whether I came or went, and I should like to return to you, but I could only do so in the spring before I build my nest. And because you are so far from food and water, I could only stay a few hours. I have never seen anything like you before, repeated the mountain. Even if it were only for a few hours, it would make me happy to see you again. There is one more thing you should know, said Joy. Mountains last forever, but birds do not. Even if I were to visit you every spring of my life, there might be only a few visits. Birds do not live very many years. It will be very sad when your visits stop, said the mountain. But it would be even sadder if you fly away now and never return. See you soon, children.